In this project we're going to be building this miniature Captain America shield, complete with a minimalist display stand so you can show it off. And at just over 2 inches high, the scale will also complement the mini Thor hammer we made in a previous build. On the back we have fully hinged handles so you can fold it out and hang it on the wall or even wear it, but then when you lock them back into position you can do this with it. All you need is a small scrap of mild steel, or you could even use the bottom of a tin can at a push. But we're going to be making one as close to vibranium as possible by using Planet Earth's answer, titanium. Well, there's our shield complete. Just for funsies, let's test it out. There you go guys, another mini weapon complete, and if there's any tests you'd like to see done to our mini Captain America shield or any other builds you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. Meanwhile, smash like, share